Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a first impressions get ready with me. There were some hurdles today. I almost threw away a foundation. I almost stabbed someone with my eyeliner that I'd never actually used. So holy shit, what an adventure. I think it turned out okay. I'm so happy with it though. Anyway, so if you want to see how I got this look today, then keep on watching. Technical difficulties as per usual, y'all. Trying to get situated here and things working against me. CEO Sunday Riley. I believe this was in my first Glam Bag Plus video, which I will link that down below. Priming with the Smashbox original photo finish. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this shit, y'all. I've had this for what feels like forever. So the first new product today is the Makeup Revolution London Starlight Liquid Highlighter. So we got like a little squeeze me dude here. So this is like super pretty and I'm going to look like the Tin Man. It smells like if Skittles were gonna turn into paint. Once I get some foundation over this, this is gonna look really fucking good. I love how I did this on accident once and then all of a sudden it's like a fucking thing. Oh no, beauty blender! So, the next new product is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation up to 24-hour fresh wear. That's a big fucking claim, bitches. I haven't even tried this and I'm already calling bullshit. It's a nice little pump. Very cheap pump, but I mean, the formula's kind of runny. It's just making me wonder about the coverage. I normally don't zoom in for freaking foundation, but this is a pretty light foundation, I think. I mean, I know the camera is really washing out my face, so it's probably not that believable, but I still have a lot of redness going on. Totally do this for like an everyday, which I think this is why I got this, but it's not what I was looking for today personally, but breathable, buildable coverage. So it doesn't say full coverage, it says buildable. So I'm taking a couple more pumps. I'm going to see how freaking buildable this is. A little low energy today, but I really wanted to do this because like I have a drawer of new products. Alright, so it is building. So the next thing I'm going to do, totally not planned for this, I'm going to take my Pixie Glow Mist and do some final blending with. Or am I? Did I just take product off? Which is so weird. I've done this before. I've done this exact step before. I took some product off. Okay, so don't do that step with this. Oh my god, Amanda, what are you doing? I'm gonna go in with another pump. That really pisses me off. So I'm using a lot more product. It's weird how you can do something with one product and, you know, old habits die hard, I guess, and whatever. I really want to like this foundation. I shouldn't have to fucking work with it this much to get what I wanted to do. I will find a specific use for this foundation. I'm never buying this again. Oh my god, this is like horrible. Hey Tim, come here. Look at this foundation. Explain what's going on.
I don't think it looks that bad. It's kind of shiny. It looks like it's becoming more powdery the more you do stuff.
Going on to the next new product. Going in with the Milani Perfect and Conceal, or Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. Smells like paint, but like in a good way. That's promising. This is a good concealer. I'm so pissed at that foundation though. Okay, hello concealer to save the day. I cannot wait to use that concealer more. Holy fuck, that's awesome. So we're gonna set the face with the new powder, bitches. Oh, Jeffree Star, the translucent. This twist cap is everything. So guess what? This is now my freaking travel powder. I do not know why brands insist on having just an open like sifter. Moment of truth. It really mattified my face. It's beautiful. Which probably seems almost counterintuitive considering I put a liquid highlight on underneath my foundation, but it lives up to the hype. Thank you, Jeffree Star, for fucking saving this mug today. Maybe not my nose, but that's okay. I do plan on baking with this. I will bake with this a different time. September Ipsy, I believe. I got the Ciate London Extraordinary powder here. Oh, fuck yeah. And this is a really finely milled powder as well. I haven't successfully baked like this in a while. So I am going to be priming my eyes with my Morphe eyelid primer. And my next new product is actually from Ipsy. Oh man, this thing just fucking farted. The eyeshadow palette, I'm doing a one palette look from Ipsy. So back in, I believe it was part of their May release. Ipsy partnered up with Tetris and created a few different palettes for their glam bags. I got one of those palettes, and I will link the May Ipsy down below. I had a really hard time with that palette, so I'm kind of nervous about this one. But either way, I need to make a special shout out to my glam sister Dani for this Tetris palette. I personally like this color scheme better than the other one that I had. I'm hoping that it works better than the other one. So I'm gonna go right in with Game Changer here, and I'm just going to apply that all across. Oh, that's an interesting color. It's like a weird mac and cheese color, man. Reminds me of that crayon that was called mac and cheese. The application's okay. I also had a hard time blending out this primer. I think that might be part of it, so I need to get this first layer down. I'm just gonna bring that like way up. Now I'm gonna put Game Over here. There is some kick up on this. Blue and yellow, huh? Kind of pretty the way it's blending together. Normally I would use a concealer that's not as brand new to put on my eyes, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop some concealer, going right in with the Milani, right on my lid. Oh my god, I just got concealer all over my fucking knuckles. Lightly spray this brush. I want to go into Game at Night, which is this like green something or other. I think I want to keep that towards like the outside. I'm not damaging this palette like I did the other one, which is crazy, but anyway, it's fine. Do a couple layers here. We are going to make her pop. I'm really digging that color. Holy shit, how fucking cool is that? This is so cool. I haven't done anything like this before, so yeah, I'm gonna go in, same kind of deal. Actually, you're gonna stay wet and you're gonna sit there and be a good girl. Game Day. This formula is a little bit different, but I'm going to apparently not be able to look at my mirror anymore on this. This is going right in the middle. Dig in a little bit more and see if it'll stick to my brush. Oh god. That's fucking wild. I'll try to get some like decent up close pictures, and I will insert pictures of what the finished product is right here. So it's like, spoiler alert, this one's already wet. So Block Party down here is this like super shimmery fuck. Oh god. Okay, let's see how this goes. And this is gonna go right here in the inner. So back into the mustard shade, and I'm just gonna kind of reiterate everything up top and potentially bring it up higher. So that's that. And then I'm going to go back into Game Over, which is that blue color. Stack it up. It's going on my brows. Time for the bronzer and blush in the Balm of Your Hands palette that I got with my September Ipsy. I have used the bronzer before. I know I like it, and just for consistency, I was like, well, I'll use that bronzer today. Even though there's another bronzer I'm trying to pan, and I haven't worn bronzer in days, and I'm like dying to. So now I'm going to use, I'm going to go in with this guy here. Instain. Long wearing staining powder blush. Well, go big or go home. Okay, look at the powder. See all that? See that? That's a problem. Whoops! Okay, so you literally just tap it a little bit in. Time to wipe away the product and try and blend in this blush a little bit more. I didn't expect the product to like come up the way it did. Special shout out to Jessica for this highlighter. I legit. It's Jane Iredale. Stupid. Okay. this shade here. Pretty fucking stoked to see how this goes. Ooh, that picked up nicely. Yes. Oh my fucking god, that is like ridiculous. What is going on with my nose? I'm gonna set this face before I move on. A couple new products still is I have the Lamps. I fucking don't know. I have some fucking eye pencil. Well, it's not working that well. Apparently my eyes are too wet, like it's not even working. Alright, so I'm going to pass this on. If I have to do this more than like 2.5 to 3 times in order to get any kind of payoff, guess what, bitch? I ain't gonna fucking use it. There's a reason why I've been using the same fucking eyeliner for like probably 12 years. I have a Lancome Boost Your Lashes with this blah 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 something primer. We are going in with this primer. Man, I almost made it in the freaking garbage can too, and it like hit like the wall. I haven't used a lash primer since the one I accidentally bought. I will tell you right now, I'll never buy this product. I wonder how long this will last. This is tiny. I'm pretty sure I've had this since my birthday, if that fucking tells you anything. Like, my birthday was in fucking May. We're nearing the end of September. I have a Lancome mascara. I don't know what the fuck that is. Hey, that's nice. Like, I'm fucking liking that. Well, I probably should have just primed my bottom lashes, done them, and then primed my top lashes one at a time. I will definitely try that next time, so check down in the description box for an update. It's a nice mascara. Wow, okay, so the last product is a lip product, which is also a new product that I have here, and I'm really excited. It is the Jeffree Star Soft Serve Velour Liquid Lip. No liner, nothing. I'm just gonna go right in. Bro, I don't mind it so far. I think it's beautiful. Where my opinion's really gonna come in is what it does in a little while. Anyway, so this is the finished look. I think through the trials and tribulations, as per usual, that we have gone through together, that this actually came out pretty well. And I'm genuinely surprised with the Tetris palette, because for whatever freaking reason, the one that I got, it acted completely different. I love the Jeffree Star translucent powder. Really liking the lipstick so far. It's dried down, but it doesn't feel gross. I'm pretty excited about that. And I've been excited about a lip in a while. I've actually been decluttering my lip stuff because I'm like, nah. So check the description box for any follow-up on my opinions and stuff like that, and for the videos that I had mentioned. I hope you enjoyed watching this, so freaking subscribe if you haven't already. Like, fucking do it. Help a sister out. Subscribe. Show your friends. If they have kids, don't show them. Anyway, so until the next one.